elevator inside me, beside me, inside it.
Shan in Kowloon Bay is a hidden spot that is surrounded by housing estate. With a spectacular view of the surrounding area and the Kowloon mountain ridge, most importantly the Lion Rock Mountain. It lies in the shadow of the Kowloon Peak itself, and you can actually see all the way over to Hong Kong Island with a glimpse of Victoria Harbour.
Hi, welcome back to Love Travel E. Today we're doing a short but pretty hike near Kowloon Bay, and I have Shane, a new friend. So excited, I'm not excited about this.
The hike starts in the middle of Choi Fook Estate, and you can walk all the way up from Kowloon Bay MTR station. If you want to cut the journey shorter, take the 83A minibus from Chai Hong and get off at Choi Yi House. I accidentally went to the end stop, but it's just a 5 to 10 minutes walk back to the end of Choi Wing Lane. From there, we can go up the set of concrete stairs, and the view are already quite spectacular.
So we've taken a stop here just to admire Lion Rock. So pretty. More stairs to go.
The whole way up to Shan is on concrete stairs, and it takes around 10 to 20 minutes to go up, with a view of Choi Fook Estates behind and Kowloon Peak in front. And this is the best spot to take photos. We try to hunt around, but there isn't really a better place. And do bring mosquito repellent, as this is a hot spot for mosquitoes.
We went to the bend in the staircase, which is very popular, so we're trying to look for alternative spots like the rock. She's trying to find a good spot.
Do stay after the sunset because the light and traffic will light up in the dark, and it makes for a beautiful scene.
So we're setting up for blue light hours. Looking good, Lion Rock. So I left my GoPro here to take some videos. Hopefully it looks good. So cute.
So cute. Hello.
It doesn't even care about us anymore.
I know.
We decided to go down to Kowloon Bay Station following Google Maps.
So from where we got back down, like we went back the way we came, it was like a 20 minutes walk to Kowloon Bay. We quickly headed there at Amoy Plaza, which is super convenient, and then went to Kowloon Bay Station. So I'm almost home, just wanted to do an outro because I keep forgetting to do this. I hope you enjoy this like nice little sunset spot. It's not as famous, well it's easy to get to Garden Hill, but I feel like it's really up there because of the view of Lion Rock. So worth it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this.